Welcome again to Kim's Bioproduction Academy. We wanted to discuss about this anterior pituitary gland. We have the anterior and the posterior pituitary gland, and this one will be in the brain. So we have the hormones, which will be, we're speaking about production and secretion being done at the same point, that is at the anterior pituitary gland, of which we'll speak differently when it comes to the posterior pituitary gland. We have the hormone, which is just an abbreviation, like the GH, that is the growth hormone. Growth hormone function will be stimulation of the growth of the bones and the tissues. Saying what? Stimulates. The word stimulation of the growth of bones and what? The tissues. We have the TSH, and that is the thyroid stimulating hormone, which stimulates the thyroid to produce thyroxine. We're speaking about what stimulates thyroid, which is the gland, to secrete the thyroxine hormone by the T4 cells. Then we have the ACTH, that is the adrenocorticotrophic hormone. Adrenocorticotrophic hormone, that is the ACTH, adrenocorticotrophic hormone. What is the role for that? Stimulates adrenal cortex to produce the cortisol. We're speaking about what? Stimulating of the adrenal cortex. You understand about the adrenal cortex, of which it will be producing what? The cortisol. Then we have the FSH, the follicle stimulating hormone. This one will be controlling about the pregnancy. Number one, it will control sperm production in male. Control the sperm production in male, thickening of the endometrium wall. Then increases the proliferation of the endometrium wall by the blood vessels. Most of the students will fail about for the male because majorly they focus on the female when we focus on the female when we are teaching, but you should understand that the follicle stimulating hormone still plays a role in male by controlling the sperm production. We have the MSH, the melanocytes. Melanocytes come from the term melanin, of which it will be influencing that secretion of melanin, which brings about the role of influence of the skin pigmentation. You got this PRL, that is the prolactin hormone, of which the prolactin hormone stimulates milk production in the breastfeeding females. So we are speaking about what? Milk production. We have milk secretion and milk production. So the one that produces the milk is the prolactin. Then we have now the luteinizing hormone. Luteinizing hormone, that is the LH, luteinizing, check the spelling word, it's luteinizing hormone, which triggers the ovulation in females. And again, it will still have a role in male, which will be doing what? It will be playing a role of in the testosterone production in male. The testosterone is the male hormone production in male, of which again this one you should understand in male because measured in the menstrual cycle we focus on the female only, that is on the ovulation. Our next slide you will understand again on the posterior pituitary gland. Thank you very much. So you can be checking those ones and you understand better of how we are learning on the pituitary gland as part of the brain and its functions.